you another full shot of that. What do you have to say, Trevor?
Can't wait to see it done. It's gonna look really cool.
A couple weeks ago, I received a call, and he was building a new house. The cabinet maker that he was going to use 2 weeks before delivering the kitchen decided he wasn't going to do it, sent him his deposit back, and he called me saying, hey, I've got this house that needs a kitchen, actually multiple cabinets in multiple rooms. And I said, we could probably squeeze you in. Let's get it going. So they contracted me to build it. We were already putting cabinets in. 3 weeks later, see you on the job site.
We got this super nice house here that we're gonna go install 3 vanities in. One's going upstairs in a Jack and Jill bathroom. The other one is coming in here into the master bathroom. It is pretty fancy. We're gonna have it goes from this wall here all the way around, and we'll end our run right here. And upstairs is just a straight long run with 2 sinks. And we have another little half bath kind of deal right at the front door here. Right there. And this is a new build, and then we'll be back here in a couple days, weeks, whatever it takes to put in the kitchen. All right, guys, Joe's working downstairs on this L. I'm going upstairs here to work on this other vanity here. And it's right here. Just one long straight run with 2 sinks in it. And I'm gonna keep you guys up here, keep you along for the ride, and we're gonna see how this goes. So I already leveled this cabinet. We're gonna start our runoff here on this right side. So we'll screw this one down first. Got our hole saw kits to poke our holes in the back of the cabinet for the sink drain and the 2 water supplies here. So now we'll measure those out. This cabinet anchored down. It ain't going nowhere. Now we're gonna have to poke for this sink base here. And then hopefully we'll be able to slide this last cabinet in, screw it down, and then this will be done. We're on this corner cabinet right now, and we figured out that the run is a little too big, so we're gonna have to take 1/8 of an inch off this. So I got my tape here so I don't blow out my frame. We're gonna go from 1/8 of an inch down here to take nothing off up there. Then we'll put that in, secure this down, put the sink base in. Then we should be done with the upstairs for today. All right, guys, got that cabinet in here. Got my holes cut for the sink. Now we just have to screw this to the other cabinets, screw it to the wall, and then make sure everything's flat and level. We just got this one more drawer front that's still at the shop that we'll put on when we get back here, when we do the island or kitchen, whatever the next step is. But we have this all wrapped up, all nice and adjusted, nice and flat, ready for countertops.
Okay, so we have a little half bathroom here. Just 2 cabinets, should be able to slap it out in a few minutes.
I'll tell you what, guys, this guy back here, he's pretty slow what he does. It took him like 3 days to do 4 cabinets one day.
I'm catching up because I got to this before he did, so
That's true.
I'm catching up in speed today.
That's true.
So got this fitted in. It fit nice and tight. I'm not even sure I'll need a scrub to cover that. I'm gonna get this all leveled up and then we'll be good in here. And we'll move out to the island.
Perfect. Yeah, I guess that's perfect.
I always gotta check the new stuff. Main thing is that it's flat and there's no rocking points.
That's the only one though.
Would you mind grabbing me the belt sander? These cabinets are pretty cool. Some of them have dividers, special dividers for organization. Some of these top ones have a special slide back there for a 2-part. Kinds of organization there. Some really big drawers. And up here we have our Jack and Jill vanity. Again, lots of little compartments. Nice slidey drawers again. What do you have to say, Trevor?
Can't wait to see it done. It's gonna look really cool.
This is going to be an impressive island.
Yeah. Yes, it will be.
Stuff's imperfect. So on the other side of the island, it has the 3 clicky doors. Do I just hold them flush with the 2 outside cabinets and leave that big gap in the middle? Yeah, these ones with the clicky doors, they're 18 inches deep,
Right.
and the other ones are 24.
The two on the edge should be sideways.
Oh, I bet I know why that gap's there. It's running its electrical and plumbing.
I think you're in the wrong orientation. The three in the middle are facing the back of the island, the overhang.
Yep.
The other two on either end face the ends.
Oh.
Which should be 18 inches deep or 18 inches wide.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
They should all be tight when you put them together.
Okay, that makes sense. Yep. All right, thank you.
So we do have them backwards.
Yep.
Okay, never mind.
And how do I put this? The mixer lift should face the pantry. The junk drawer should face the dining.
The mixer lift should face.
The pantry.
Yeah, that makes sense now. Okay.
I'll do there. Well, I take it back. I'm so wrong about the plans.